What's up everybody, Rebel Drifter here, and as you could have seen in the previous video, we've got some new ladies up in this house, and we're gonna open up the Gameladydoll right now. So let's check it out. So I know it's a little bit further away, but I'm just gonna cut this open gently, carefully, and then I'll put the camera a little bit closer so we can see what happens when we open it up. Alright, let's put the camera a little bit closer. Alright, so let's just open it up and see what we have. This is going to be the 100 centimeter doll. And the funny thing is, I personally always think that they're so much smaller, the 100 centimeters, but they're not. It's still 1 meter. So this is not the seamless version. This is going to be the version where you can pop off the head, which I think is pretty cool, because I still think they should also make a 2B version from Nier Automata. So I'm gonna gently get this tape off. It's always good to have that extra layer of tape on there. Gently open everything up so we can see her bald face. Again, very good packaging. Lots of this foam around the little head, which is good. We're going to put that on the couch. And then this is going to be how it's been. Oh, good lord. So it's going to be something with rope. There we go. Got that loose. So let's open up the face and see how she looks. Again, protection around the eyes, which I think is cool that they completely made it like that, even the small eye things. And she looks really cool. She has a little bit of, I think, excess glue. There we go, we got it off. But this is, ladies and gentlemen, our little mini Tifa head. She looks really cool. Of course, bald is a little bit weird without the hair on there, but she looks very detailed, as you can see, with the shimmer in the sunlight a little bit. Yeah, really cool. I don't know if the eyes are movable. I don't think so, actually. The mouth, of course, isn't movable as well, because she doesn't have any capabilities. This is just a hard head. And then we have our stuff right here. Again, excess glue. Put that somewhere, maybe there in the box for now. But again, she looks really cool. So let's continue the unboxing. I'm going to put the head over on the couch again. Let's see what's over here. We've got, of course, our standard bag full of extra goodies, which is always going to be the same thing. Again, a water cleaning device, or a thing where you can clean the insides with. There's going to be I think this is going to be a bikini set. Yeah, it looks like a bikini set. So again, white lingerie. And then we have our comb, which again, I keep telling everybody, it doesn't matter if the company does this or not. These combs, I'm not a big fan of. They have these little wiggly, you can hear it, they wiggle a lot. It's not for me. Just buy a better brush for your doll. Don't use these, please. Not a big fan of those. And then we have some gloves, which I actually should use, which is a lot better to use for unboxing. You should actually always do that. And then, of course, we have the mini wig, which is in here. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to put that to the side as well. We don't need any of these things. We have our own clothing. Hopefully that will work. And if not, we'll have to wait and see, because of course I can't, even though the video gets demonetized by YouTube, and I think it's really stupid because I really try to watch everything regarding nudity, they still demonetize me. And yeah, but you're not allowed to get nudity in, so I have to wait and see if I have to cut this or not. She is completely folded in very nicely. So again, foam, put it on the other box. Get this bucket of foam out there as well. And then here you can see the body already. So I'm trying to look on the camera if we can see that very well. There we go. Get the knife out of the way. It's asking for problems. Alright. So again, here you can see her. She's laying down. So we can gently try to get certain things out of the way. So she's completely packed in. You can see her legs there. Her hands and her arms are completely protected as well. There you can see a little bit of her chest. And then the top is where the head is going to screw on. So I'm going to take her out gently with the gloves. And then from there, I'll have to put on some clothes for her. And then you'll see her in the next shot how she looks completely assembled and clothed. Now, before I give you a sneak peek of what she's wearing, always check out the neck area. Always go around it. Even though I'm not wearing my gloves right now, the camera does not want to sharpen. Look, there you go. There's always going to be some stuff around it because they have to drill in a hole and put in that neck bolt area where you can thread the wire. So always try to clean it a little bit, either with your fingers and or with a white cloth and just a little bit of water or something like that, you know. Get the grease out, get the dust out. Normally they're always already pretty clean. But, you know, you just got to be careful. There's sometimes a little bit of grease in there because of the lubrication of the wire in there. So just got to be careful with that. And this is the brush that I'm talking about. If you buy a good brush, this is not even the most expensive one that you can buy. This is just a simple one. But it's a very thin brush, which is perfect for, you know, hairs or wigs of dolls because they can get very annoying. So I urge you to buy this comb. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how she looks with my own little bathing suit on that I bought a while back. And yeah, she looks, I know the wig is not perfect. Wigs are never perfect pretty much for dolls. I know the bathing suit is a little bit off with how it's sitting right now. I need to press that boob a little bit more in, but you get the idea. She looks really cool, especially in that purple color. You know, she wears that purple dress in Final Fantasy VII. So yeah, this is again really cool. I'm super happy that I have her. I can put her on display on a shelf or close to my PC, and she looks very, very cool. Makeup is really nice, very soft. Again, like I said, the hair is not perfectly on right now, but you get the idea. She's not seamless, like I said. She has a pop-on head, but if you point her in the right direction with her face where she's looking, it looks pretty much seamless. Yeah, she's immaculate. She looks really cool. And yeah, let's turn her around to see how she looks from the back. But there still might be a little bit of hairs here and there in the way. And this lighting is not doing a lot for her, but yeah, she looks immaculate. Really cool. Tiny little butt. She, as far as I know, she actually has 2 holes. So for everybody out there who wants to get jiggy with her, you can do that. I haven't checked yet. I only saw the front one, but I was too busy, you know, getting her clothes on and all that stuff. So again, she looks really, really good. We have not checked the bottom of her feet, but I expect them to be very nice as well. Again, the areas on the elbows that they gently made a little bit red because, you know, that's an area of a lot of movement. That's normal. And then her hands look really good as well. And of course her caboose, like I said. So yeah, this is an amazing little doll. I urge everybody to go to Gamelady and you know, check out their website and either buy the Mini Tifa or buy the Big Tifa, you know, or anything else that they have, because they have a lot of amazing dolls on their website. I'm still eyeing the Jill from Resident Evil. I still would like to have her in my studio to, you know, have on display with her outfit and everything. We should actually get a Mini Tifa outfit for this Mini Tifa doll, but we'll have to wait and see if that's something that belongs to the possibilities in the future. All right, these are her feet. Just wanted to check them out real quick as well. They look very detailed. Little toes right there, Piggly Wigglies. And yeah, this foot as well. The lighting is a little bit different because, I don't know, there's a little bit of shade here and there. It's already getting dark outside, but as you can see, very detailed. And yeah, I didn't want to rob you guys of that, showing that as well. Again, to confirm, she does have 2 holes. And then also a shot from her chest here, and then the underside of the boobs. Pretty cool if you ask me. And then the funny thing is I did something to her hair. I know this is not gonna look good. Her hair is a little bit off right now. The wig is a little bit finicky, but I actually put a Velcro strap around her hair to actually symbolize that hairband that she always uses. She has that red, dark red hairband to make the little kind of ponytail. So yeah, that was an easy fix. So this is how she's sitting on the edge of the table, which I thought was a pretty fun thing to do. A little bit of a stress test pose. And she's handling it very well. And she looks immaculate. So I guess now it's time to take her to the bedroom, if you know what I'm saying. No, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you made it this far, thank you very much. Shout out to Gamelady for making this Mini Tifa so awesome. And yeah, go check them out right now. And maybe in the future, me and Gamelady can do another collaboration. And yeah, it's going to be really dope. Hopefully we can still get that Tifa outfit in the future to make her complete. And then put her up on the desk. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Yo, Lycan-Strife here from the future, aka Rebel Drifter. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Put your balls on that subscribe button and jiggle it till it goes into infinity. And yeah, maybe in the future I will actually do a little giveaway. It's gonna involve a very small doll. See you guys in the next video. Please stay tuned to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.